Hey everyone, welcome to Learn with Ma'am Umelela. Are you looking for easy and useful English sentences to improve your speaking skills? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll share simple daily conversations that will help you speak English more fluently and confidently. Whether you are a beginner or just want to practice, these sentences will make your communication easier. How to use this video? Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Practice every day. So let's get started with our first sentence. In daily conversation, you speak like this. Can you help me with this? I am having trouble understanding it. I forgot to call you yesterday, but I'll do it today. Let's meet at the cafe at 5 pm. Does that work for you? She was very tired, so she went to bed early. I am not sure about this plan. Let's think about it more. For debating persuasive speaking. Okay, number one, reading books is important because it helps us learn new things. Number two, exercise is good for both the body and the mind. Number three, we should all try to reduce waste and recycle more. Number four, social media is useful, but it can also be a distraction. Number five, hard work is the key to success in any field. When you describe things in a different way, you can say, the weather is nice today. Let's go for a walk. Number two, this cake is very delicious. Did you make it yourself? Number three, his house is big and has a beautiful garden. Number four, the movie was exciting, but the ending was sad. Number five, her address was simple but very elegant. When you talk about business and work, you can say, number one, we need to finish this project by Friday. Number two, your idea is interesting. Let's discuss it in the meeting. Number three, can you send me the report by email? Number four, I'll check the details and let you know soon. Number five, teamwork is important if we want to succeed. I hope you will like my video. So stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching.